Hi guys, I wanted to make a real quick video to help those of you who are having trouble getting into your Google Classroom from home be successful to get in. So the first thing that I want to show you now on my laptop, when I open a new tab, it just automatically takes me to Google. But no matter where you are, no matter what site you're on, if you just go to Google, and see, I didn't even have to type in the whole thing. I just typed in Google and it all popped up, google.com, and I hit enter. So when you're on Google, you're going to see this blue button in the upper right-hand corner, and it says sign in. So that is the first thing that you're going to click, is that sign in button. Okay, this is the hardest part of this. This is where I've had a few people in my class have trouble. When you're signing into your school Google account, okay? Most of your usernames look like this. The first letter of your first name. Say my name is Della, so that starts with a D. Then the first letter of your last name. Well, my last name is Tingle. That starts with a T, okay? And then you should have 6 different numbers. Okay, now I'm just making my numbers up. This is not my username. I just wanted to show you what your username probably looks like. It probably looks like 2 letters followed by 6 numbers, and this is what you would have entered to get into your Chromebook at school as your username. Okay, the reason that some friends are having trouble finding their Google Classroom is because at school, when we got on our Chromebooks, the ending was already there for us. We have to type in the ending now. Teachers do, your principal, Mr. Williams, does, students do, we all do. So after your username, you have to type in @ and then Dothan. You have to make sure you spell it right, DOTHAN .K12, that's K12 .AL, that AL stands for Alabama, .US. And then you click the blue next button. So this is why it's a little bit tricky for us. We didn't have to do this at school, but we do have to do this at home. So don't forget, it's really long. You'll want to write it down. And then you click this blue next button. Okay, now on this screen, it recognizes me and it says, "Hi, Della." So your screen should have "Hi" with your name. I bet when Mr. Williams logs on, I bet it says, "Hi, James," because James is his first name. So I bet it says, "Hi, James" to him. So your password, most of you guys, when you logged on to your Chromebook at school, you had to put that same 6-digit number in, and then you had 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 symbol. Maybe you had a $sign, maybe you had a comma or a question mark, okay? They are case sensitive. That means if your letter needs to be capitalized, make sure it's capitalized. If your letter needs to be lowercase, make sure it's lowercase. So from here, you put in your password. Again, it's the same password you put in at school when you logged on to your Chromebook, and you click Next. Okay. I am in Google. I know that I'm in Google because I see my picture. You may see your picture. You may see your initials. You may see a picture of Beyonce, because that is what you set your Chromebook picture up to be. So who knows what you'll see, but it should be the same picture that you saw every day at school when you logged on to your Chromebook. From here, I can access all of my Google apps. every single thing from school is going to be right here. Now, mine may look a little bit different, but you should see Gmail. This is your email. You should see Drive and Slides. I know my class made several slides this year, but probably where you're going to want to go first is your classroom. Now, I do not want to get into my classroom because if I do, my code shows up and I don't want anybody joining my classroom that I don't want to join our classroom. But here's mine. I know I have different classes. You may only have one, Miss Tingle's 4th grade or whatever your teacher is, your 6th grade teacher. You may have your link teacher. You click it and there you go. You're in your Google Classroom just like you used it every day in school. If you are finished using the computer or the iPad or whatever device you're on, if you come all the way up to the top and click on your picture or your initials, come back down and click sign out, and then the next person that comes onto this device will not be able to access your information. See, my face is now gone because I have logged out. So I hope that helps you. Good luck. If you need more help, definitely let your teacher know. Let me know. That's what we're here for. Good luck, guys.